Today I will show you how add event to your calendar on your AGM Pad P2. To add it, open calendar application. In it, tap on day when we want to add our event. Maybe on 50, and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can add this event about what is it. Access is it's about our family, work and something like that. There we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all the event by switch on. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every month. There we can make video conference when event starts, add people to that, or we can add location of our event. In this part you can also add notification, and you can add more than one if you need. There we can change color about our notification to this event, maybe on lavender. Add description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save. And that's all, we have our event in calendar. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.